Let us learn 10th standard relations and functions. Example 1.13. Let a is equals to 1, 2, 3 and b is equals to 4, 5, 6, 7 and the function is given in the ordered pair 1, 4, 2, 5, 3, 6 be a function from a to b. Show that f is 1 to 1 but not onto function. So the function is given. We have to show that it is 1 to 1 but not onto function. So given in the question the function is 1, 4, 2, 5, 3, 6. Let us draw an arrow diagram. So function is from a to b. So 1 is mapped to 4, 2 is mapped to 5, 3 is mapped to 6. See here, but it is given extra 7 is here. Let it be here itself. A value is 1, 2, 3. B value is 4, 5, 6, 7. So this is called domain. The values of A is called domain and the values of B is called codomain. Image of 1 is 4. Image of 2 is 5. Image of 3 is 6. Pre-image of 4 is 1. Pre-image of 5 is 2. Pre-image of 6 is 3. 7 don't have pre-image. For different elements in A, there are different images. For 1, the answer is different. For 2, the answer is different. And 3, the answer is different. Therefore, we can tell that f is 1 to 1 function. Here, the element 7 in codomain does not have a pre-image in A. Therefore, f is not on 2. Therefore, f is not on 2. The element 7 in codomain does not have a pre-image in A. So, we can tell that f is not on 2. Example 1.14. If a equals to -2, -1, 0, 1, 2 and f from a to b is an onto function. It is given already, it is an onto function defined by f of x equal to x square plus x plus 1, then find b. Now here we have to find the value of b. Given in the question a is -2, -1, 0, 1, 2. Function f of x is x square plus x plus 1. If you write the value of a has x in the function, you can get the value of b. So, in place of x, we'll write -2. So, -2 whole square plus of -2 plus 1. -2 into -2. So, -2 into -2 multiplying twice. 2 2s are 4. Minus into minus plus. Plus 4. Plus into minus. -2 plus 1. 4 minus 2, 2. 2 plus 1, 3. Next, we are going to sub -1 in the place of x. So, -1 whole square plus of -1 plus 1. -1 into -1. 1 ones are 1. Minus into minus plus. Plus 1 plus into minus. -1 plus 1. -1 plus 1 get cancels. Remaining is 1. Next, we'll sub the value of 0. So, f of 0 equals to 0 square plus 0. 0 square plus 0 plus 1. 0 square is 0. 0 plus 0, 0. 0 plus 1, 1. Next, we'll sub the value of 1. Sub the value of 1 in the equation. 1 square plus 1 plus 1. 1 square is 1. 1 plus 1, 2. 2 plus 1, 3. Next, we are going to sub the value of 2. So, f of 2 is equals to 2 square plus 2 plus 1. 2 square, 2 2s are 4 plus 2 plus 1. 4 plus 2, 6. 6 plus 1, 7. Therefore, the value of b is 3, first answer is 3, 1, 1, 3, 7. Repeated, we'll write once. So, 1, 3, 7 is the value of b. Example 1.15. Let f be a function from f where n to n, natural numbers to natural numbers, be defined by f of x equals to 3x plus 2, where x belongs to natural numbers. In this first question, find the images of 1, 2, 3. Find the pre-images of 29, 53. Identify the type of the function. So, first question we'll find the images of 1, 2, 3. It is given function is from natural numbers to natural numbers. And the function is f of x equals to 3x plus 2. Since it is from natural numbers, we'll start from 1. In the place of x, we'll write 1. So, according to the function, 3x plus 2, 3 into 1 plus 2, 3 ones are 3 plus 2, 5. So, the image of 1 is 5. Next, we'll write sub the value of 2 in the place of x. 3 into 2 plus 2, 3 2s are 6, 6 plus 2, 8. The image of 2 is 8. In the place of x, we'll write 3. 3x plus 2. So 3 into 3 plus 2. 3 3s are 9 plus 2. 9 plus 2 is 11. The image of 3 is 11. Therefore, the image of 1 is 5, 2 is 8, 3 is 11. Now we have completed Roman letter 1. Your second question, find the pre-image of 29 and 53. See, for the equation, for the function f of x equals to 3x plus 2, we have to sub a value in the place of x so that your answer should be 29. What is that number? In the place of x, you have to sub a value. If you write that number, your answer will be 29. So what is the value of x we have to find? So f of x equals to 3x plus 2. So I have written in the place of f of x, I have written 29. 29 is equals to 3x plus 2. 29, our aim is to find the value of x. The nearer number will take to other side. Plus 2 when taken to other side becomes minus 2. 29 minus 2 is 27. So 3x is equals to 27. X is equals to 3 is in the terms of multiplication. When taken to other side becomes division. 3 divides 27 9 times. Therefore, when you sub the value of 9 in the place of x, your answer will be 29. So the pre-image of 29 is 9. So the pre-image of 29 is 9. For example, so this is 9. This is 29. The image of 9 is 29. Now the pre-image of 29 is 9. The same thing, f of x equals to 3x plus 2. In the place of x, we have to write a number so that your answer will be 53. We'll find what is that number. So 53 is equals to 3x plus 2. Plus 2 when taken to other side becomes minus 2. 53 minus 2 is 51 is equals to 3x. That is 3x equals to 51. X is equals to 3 is in the terms of multiplication. When taken to other side becomes division. So 3 divides 51 17 times. So when you sub the value of 17 in x, your answer will be 53. Here the image of 17 is 53 and the pre-image of 53 is 17. Now we'll find what is the type of the function. In the question it is given that f is a function from natural numbers to natural numbers. So according to the question, natural numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, I've written the values. 1 is mapped with, here 1 is mapped with 5, 2 with 8, 3 with 11. So 3 with 11. So we'll find what is the function. Here distinct element of domain is mapped with distinct element of the codomain. So automatically it is 1-to-1 function. And we'll find what is the range. What is the range value? The range value is 5, 8, 10. This is the value of range. What is the value of codomain? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 goes on. Range is not equal to codomain. Otherwise, 1 in codomain does not have a pre-image. 2 in codomain does not have a pre-image. Therefore, fs, it is not onto, but we can tell it has into function. Therefore, f is 1-to-1 and into function. Range is not equal to codomain means it is not onto. If it is not onto, it will be into function. Thank you, children.